Kendrick, back at you with another video. One half of the Sole Proprietors. My brother, Dayron. He's in school, so there might be times you might see us apart. But anywho, based off the thumbnail and the title, I have with you the Nike Element React 87 Desert Sand. There's also the Sail Photo Blue or Dark Gray, whatever you want to call them. And then there's the black Sail Photo Blue Black. Then there's also some undefeated, or not undefeated, I'm sorry, uncovered, undiscovered, whatever you want to call them. Who knows? But here we are. Desert Sand. Got these from StockX, as you can see. StockX, official, like a ref with a whistle. Man, I like these shoes. I think this, between this and the Sail, it's my favorite colorway of this shoe. Remind me a little bit of those, I don't know if y'all remember back in like 06, 07, those clear Air Force Ones that had dropped. I remember Big Tigger released them bad boys when we were in, what was it, 106 in Park? That light blue colorway. To have a bit of a clear, call it translucent area at the first half or first 3/4 of the shoe. The back has this brown colorway. Don't know the materials, like I told you before in the previous videos. You would never hear me be technical when it comes to these materials. So there's this translucent area, like I said, the heel or the back quarter of the shoe has this kind of brown colorway, looks like. I love the, I call it highlighter yellow tinting. This is actually what really sets the shoe off for me. You got this highlighter tinting here on the outsole, and then at the bottom of it, that's where the outsole extends, kind of gives it this web look or feeling. Right here on the, looks like that's, I don't know if that's suede. I feel like that might be suede, but right here, this gray area, looks like that's suede. And you got this leather right here as well. Then this leather right here. I mean, as far as materials, the way they put this shoe together to me is brilliant. As far as how they incorporate whatever material this translucent is. It looks like it's some type of mesh. But you incorporate that with the leather on the, where the on the eyelets are. And then also the suede. The suede actually kind of goes down on the inner part of the shoe right here. That's nice right there. I love the shoestrings. Looks like there's a Reflectum 3M right here on the eyelets. Looks like that's gonna be beautiful when you see me walking down the street at night. Right there. Looks like that's also on the pull tab as well right there. All in all, man, this is a beautiful shoe. This is supposed to be comparable to Adidas Ultra Boost, which, as I said before, to me, Boost is life. But, you know, we'll see. Gonna give these a wear, and then what I'm gonna do is come back at you actually with an update video. Gonna probably walk around, wear these a few weeks, and then give you an update on how they feel. I feel like, honestly, being that I'm of a larger stature, I can provide you with a good on-feet experience, because as somebody who has to tote around a little more weight than others, I can actually give you how sturdy, how durable something like this might be. So we'll see, man. Look for this for an update on the video on these, a review on how they feel, how they held up, how much I like them, how much I possibly don't like them, and I'll come back at that with y'all. Hopefully next time we do a video, the other half of the Sole Proprietors, Dayron, is going to be here as well. But yeah, man, this is a beautiful shoe. Also, look forward to those Yeezys that's dropping September 21st, the triple white Yeezy Boost 350 V2s. Those drop, come here in September 21st, so hopefully Sole Proprietors can get their hands on those. Again, this is an amazing shoe. Shout out to Nike on making this. Shout out to Nike also. You know, I hate to bring this up because this is a shoe channel, but shout out to Nike on the whole Kaepernick ad, and on the on including Serena Williams and how they do all of that. They're going against the grain. me personally, I don't really have much of an opinion, but I know I'm gonna keep wearing Nikes. You know what I'm saying? I ain't throwing these joints away. Promise you that. I ain't burning these. I'm not cutting these apart. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna happen. So yeah, just look, man, everybody love everybody. Everybody be cool. Everything's gonna be all right. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.